Welcome back to my channel. Today is such an exciting day. If you guys have been watching any of my recent videos, I've mentioned how I'm going to be moving soon and all that stuff. Well, today's the day and I'm so excited. We're not fully moving in today, but we are officially taking possession of the house today, and we're going to be painting tonight. And I'm just so excited. I have been waiting for this for so long. I will show you guys the house. I'll give you like a little empty house tour and show you the painting and all that stuff. It's gonna be so much fun, but that is not until later tonight. So until then, I just got ready. I'm waiting on the okay to go to work to get paychecks because it's payday. Actually, oh yeah, speaking of work, yesterday was my last day at my job, which is like such a bittersweet thing. I have been there for 4 years almost. I think it's almost 4 years, or maybe it is, something like that. But it has come to an end for real this time. I quit a long time ago and then came back, but it's done for real this time. It's kind of sad just leaving the environment because I really did like my management and all of that stuff, and they're really chill, and it was a good job. But I'm just moving on to bigger and better things in my life. I tweeted yesterday saying that today is the start of a fresh new chapter in my life, and I'm so ready for it, and I really am. I'm going to be looking for a new job, but not until the end of summer, so I have the whole summer to focus on YouTube, which I'm super pumped about. Be ready for some great editing and great videos, hopefully. We're going to a new school next year, or not next year, next semester, and a new job, and just a bunch of new things. It's gonna be so much fun. So if you guys like moving vlogs, stay tuned because this is moving vlog number 1. I'm so excited because the doggies are gonna come with us tonight, and they're gonna get to run on some grass. We don't have grass at this house. We don't have grass at the house we're at right now, and this new one has it. Are you so excited? You're gonna get to run on the grass. Oh, she is so sleepy. Aww. And yeah, I will just inform you guys when I'm doing something else. I also have to go pick up some dog food for Miss Little Lila over here. Hopefully she'll eat it. Also guys, something so exciting for this channel. I finally got Final Cut Pro. Like, I've been waiting to get Final Cut Pro for literally ever since I started doing this. I've wanted it, and I just haven't been able to financially buy it, but I just recently was able to, and I did. And yes, it definitely made my bank account plummet a little bit, but worth it. So worth it. I've been playing with it a lot, and I've as you could tell, I made a new intro and outros. Well, you'll see the outro at the end, but tell me if you like it. Let me know. It's not perfect, but I'm still playing around with it, and I'm so excited to edit my video is a lot better. So anyways, enough rambling. I'm gonna go, and I'll see you later. So it's a few hours later. I just picked up my paycheck from work, and now I'm back. I went and got my dog, her some dog food, and I got her this little ball. Do you like it? And I got my other dog a Frisbee. Let's see if you can see her playing with it. She's out here. I was hoping she'd play with it, and I think she is. She's right here. Aww. I'm feeling so shaky because I haven't eaten anything all day. I just had a protein shake, so I probably should eat something before I leave to go to the new house. It's almost, let's see, how many more hours? It is currently 3:41, so it's almost 4, and we leave at 5:30. I'm so excited.
Come here.
I hope I caught that. I don't know if it is. Go ahead, go ahead.
Come here.
Go here.
She hurt her face. You rub her face.
Come here. Come here.
She smacked her nose good.
Where are you? She's like, what is this? What are you doing, Lila?
Tiffany.
What? Oh, it's my camera. This is the living room. And over here, let's see. This is the bathroom downstairs. This is gonna be my brother's bathroom. This is the office. There's like a little closet. I think this is a walk-in. Oh dang, yeah. Got a walk-in closet in here. This is a laundry room. It's like a second family room. And then a dining room in there. Lila's going crazy. Let's go. So, to the left, to the right is a desk. This is the master bedroom. And over here, there's this cute little balcony. I'd open it, but I don't want to. And then if you go out this door, there's like a hallway, another entrance there. Over here is their bathroom, and it's like super huge. Look how big this bathroom is. Like, what? Hey guys, and then if you go out this door, there is another balcony out here, and it's huge. Then this is going to be one of my brother's bedrooms. I don't know whose. Another one of my brother's bedrooms. And then this is our guest bedroom, which is the door that leads from the master. Oh, I see my dog. What are you doing? This is the guest. And then this is my room right here. I had a dream that I opened this and it was a walk-in closet, and I'm kind of disappointed now. But it's all good. This is my bathroom. What's that? Oh, where's the light? This is my bathroom. So, yes, I was hoping they left the shower. Oh crap. I was so hoping they left that, and they did, so that's great. So yeah, this is my bathroom. I don't know why. I do a piece every time I see him here. Ooh, I like that. Okay, cool. And we're putting flooring down tomorrow. So we're gonna be putting some new flooring and then painting these. And then we're putting flooring everywhere basically. So I'm gonna have gray flooring in here, and then everywhere else it's like a light wood. And this is the kitchen. So cute. See, this is I wanted to see what the fridge looks like. It's a lot fancier than ours. And lastly, the garage. It's a double garage. It has nice built-in cabinets. I don't know what that means, but these are cool.
Right there, Tots?
Tots.
Alright. We're at Sonic right now.
Then I would like...
Just ordering some food. I'm talking on camera.
I'm sorry.
We live by a whole bunch of
A medium Sprite.
This one right there and right there. Alright, so I'm in my new room right now. So weird. And I'm going to be masking it off with some tape right here. We already masked off all of downstairs, so now I'm just doing it up here. This is my view. I don't know if you can see because it's getting dark outside, but this is my view outside. Well, I started to mask my room, and then I thought about it, and I'm like, I don't need to do that because my room's getting painted white. The trim is already white, so I'm glad I didn't go through with anything. One thing that's gonna be kind of cool is the guest room next door. This room, I'm gonna be using this closet for some of my stuff, and then I can use this room for like YouTube or whatever if I want. So now I'm doing it in my bathroom instead because the walls are gonna be white in here, and then I'm painting these gray because the flooring's gonna be gray. Hey guys, it is the next day. It is Saturday, May 19th, I believe. I am back at the old house right now. We finished up around, I don't know, 9 o'clock I'd say yesterday, and we were gonna start painting, but we decided to wait until today to paint because there's a lot to do, and it took a lot longer than we thought. I'm going to a baby shower today, actually in like an hour, and then we're gonna head back to the house with the dogs, and we're gonna start painting, so I'll film that. Yeah. Also had so many boxes right here, like from here all the way to like up here. We had a whole bunch of boxes, but my dad took those over to the new house today, so we got a little... Oh, why are you in your cage? That is so sweet. Anyways, yeah, and it was so cute. The dogs loved it yesterday, and I love the house, and I'm so excited to just get everything moved in. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna head to this baby shower, and I will see you back at my new place. We are back at the house, and I'm just waiting to start painting. I am on dog duty right now, so I'm watching the dogs. It's lighting though, and I need to change right now because I can't paint in these clothes.
Remember, you have to be flat, like you can't leave. You have to like get it in.
I have barely filmed anything today because I am so tired. I've just been painting literally non-stop all day as soon as I got back here. So I will show you the progress. It's not much, but I've also been painting part of my bathroom, like the trim, and then I've also been helping paint my brother's room. So anyways, I'll show you what I got done here. So it's gonna take a couple coats or a few, I don't know, but that's what I have so far. I have all the like bottoms done. All I need to do now is like the little trim areas, and then need someone tall to do that for me because I'm too short. Took a long break and ate some food, and now I'm so full and blood. I'm just gonna continue painting and do a little montage, so stay tuned for that. I got my brother to come help me because I'm too short. So he is getting all the high places for me. This is the progress. Looks very patchy, but it is white, so it's good. I have a question for you, Lila. Why did you not eat your dinner? Okay. I'm going to show you the little second balcony that we have. Hold on. Because I don't think I showed you. This is the little balcony right here. So cute. Feels really good out here, but I feel like people are watching me. It's kind of awkward. I don't know. What are you guys doing out here? Or guys, I mean, guys. Feels so good out right now. But okay, this is the view. We live on like a hill, so you can see the mountains over there. It's so pretty. I feel like the sunsets over here are going to be insane. Like awesome. Okay. They have started the flooring process. So this is what it looks like. It looks really good. This is her paint dance.